family.
Yeah, I know this.
And me say family. Me love me family, them to me heart. Me would do the earth one of them. Real killy dead to the end, dead from me start. Me real better them. Cause them no know when we
I knock some fish. I knock some fish when Sabi them gone at church. I tell grab for one scissors. I remember so when Sandy come up a yard, you know, in kind of.
Yes, sure.
Belt me see, you would have killed her liquor, girl.
Olay!
Hey, you got her front in line and can't move.
Hey, you see how Mama starting this? Yes. What in my name is Andin. Me standing around me and Larry from the way yard. Go catch you up on Andin. I'm broke her ass. Cause that's how we do. That's how we do. You know, at that time, they used to have the top.
The board top.
The board top.
Where you put together.
If you left nice
You
soap.
open.
And she left her brown soap what she used to wash in it. And Larry. Go take the soap, put in the water and play with the soap. And the soap melt out. And we standing, come home after and she said that we do. And we standing around. And me and Larry take her. That's what she said she go and then she get sweet. So when we got to make her say, Mr. Lee, can't move. Yes. And then she get sweet.
Put on it.
And lick out her ass.
Mr. Lee was a strong woman.
Oh my God.
You see how I'm going to tell you?
Hey, guess
My
what?
big brother.
And the best grandmother ever.
Hey. This was some beach week. When you want water for being, I would say, nah, go for it.
Hey, I'm the big one.
So guess
I'm going to fight you.
what? Yes.
So give me water.
I should.
Yeah.
You're fighting back, as you say.
You fight me back.
I went with them, run choke off what? By the time we walk around and catch up on Mr. Lee said, where are they? You can't touch her. You can't touch her.
You know we don't let them. We don't let them. See, they will let me, you know. They will let me. But we don't let them.
Hey,
You know.
Mazik used to get him in a shop. And go and bush. But when Mazik tell him to give me food, back out of shop, you know what I'm giving? So, Mazik buy one slippers.
You know, they laugh at me.
Mazik buy one buckle up slippers, leather slippers. And tell me, say, when we wear the buckle, I will take no shop with free room.
I want the buckle shoes.
The buckle up, leather slippers.
Yes. That one wearing.
And the buckle make nice, but he never know make the buckle make nice. But Mazik make them buy the shoes and make them turn the buckle upside down. You know, say you was a joke, man. And one time we go in a shop and take out a meat bag. And I said, get away here. And you quiz out, look, you.
You say kiss back out your mouth.
And he chop in her hand. And he just. Daddy was horrible. Yes. He used to pay me $5 for cleaning shoes. And me decide to be not clean. Come on, beat me. Don't know what the $5 so we clean. Not $5, not $5. 5 shillings. The little one. One little money.
No shoes, so you know, shoes.
Remember, say you did have, everybody have their patch shoes. We dress up time.
I'm going to shoes we use out of the
Well, whatever. But they have to me cleaning. So we get $5, five penny.
Yeah.
We carry up on the water, feed the
6 pounds. 6 pounds or 5 pounds.
5. One little shine one.
5 pounds.
So we get one of that. We carry the water for
Fin beard.
feed bait. And one to clean the shoes. And one for hire and match pants.
What?
For hire and match pants.
March pan? Something you see with March pan?
No. But I used to have to iron match pants because he liked when I iron his pants. So for that day now, apart from what Mazik would give me, so we have 5 of the 5 pence. And that was a lot of money.
Yeah, I gotta agree.
A lot of money. You know?
Hey, you guys. It's been a while since I've given you guys a New York vlog.
Yo, take off me out with the people them say me in the place.
Yes, Squatty is in the place,
man.
okay?
So if you come link up, you know.
Eh?
Yeah.
On the ear that, guys? So, oh, link. Just let me know.
Eat there.
Anyway, now we're just making a quick run to Ridge Hill right quick. It is Friday, November 24th, perhaps. It's actually Black Friday, but I don't partake in them things because I'm not leaving my house at the crack of dawn to go fight with people or be trampled by people to shop. So no, so now it's actually after 4 and I feel like going someplace, so we're gonna do that. All right, so we'll check in.
See you there.
What's that?
Take a small skate over that.
So go on now. Jeremy wants to go skate with the kiddies, guys.
Nothing like that. Rasta not play them like game.
I love you too.
Nothing like that.
Let's go to Lord Taylor. Over here. So me and the dads just thought make a little one walk.
See it, yeah. Now buy out the place.
Come. Oh. Lord and Taylor. Oops. The squad there. Might get lost in a squad. Guys, Jermaine's machine is set to 3.8. And look at my making look bad. No one I run for 3.8 speed. Go on. Let me see who I go quit before. Let's see who I go quit. Is he so cute? Everywhere Jermaine goes, Jermaine has grandpa's quitting. Everywhere. All right. Work.
I'm a good man.
He just worked all the sweat off, guys, so you guys wouldn't see how much of the burn he was getting. Jeremy's about to pass out. I didn't fit you guys.
Fit already.
Yeah, but for daddy.
Fit from birth.
Oh, yeah, stop it. He stopped the treadmill, guys, and he only did like 10 minutes.
What? I couldn't want more than that.
10 minutes, and he's ready to pass out, you guys. Oh, Jeremy. Yeah, the girl don't know I'm gonna knock out quick here.
Oh man. Running different, man.
Guys, look, yo, my lips are so ashy. 15, Jeremy, come on.
19, you know.
I think you could do more weights, Jeremy. That's too easy.
Yeah?
Stop, come all the way down.
Oh, too easy.
Put it to 90. All right.
How much weight is that? How much weight is that?
70. I do 110. Do it. Guys, join me in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nice.
You know.
All right, see? I'm doing 110. Jermaine did 90. I'll show you. Or I read you. Powerhouse for this thing.
$25 you are going to hear. 25.
You need 25?
25 you are. Where do you have 4 now? 5.
7.
5. 6. 7. 8. You need to go down more with this something. Way down more. 8.
Oh, it's 10.
No, 8. 9. 10. 11. No rest. 12. 13. 14. 15.
I eat that lucky. I told Jermaine he has to do 1 more. Because actually he has to do 4 more. We want to do 5. And he said, and this guy, he looked at me like I was crazy. That's his second. And you have to do 5 total. If you need me to switch it to 7, I can put it down to 7. You want 70? 1. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 15. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. What's it? All right. Yeah, Jermaine is the biggest shit talker, you guys. The biggest shit talker. Meanwhile, I'm doing 70 on the torso rotation, and he's doing 50.
No, nothing.
See that?
Nothing like that. Yes, boss. Kick me. Higher. Come on. Come on. Come on. Higher. Come on. Yeah. Higher. Yeah. 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 Come on, come back down with your hand. Stop right out the thing, you know. Come on. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Is it ready? Come on, you can do it. You can do it. I seen you do it. Just so much people in that place, I'm going to let me down.
Guys, you know how it is when you're working out and your body under pressure.
You must know for control that. Jeremy said he feel like something in his belly's gonna pop.
Nah, kill myself.
Tomorrow's another day, right, Jeremy?
Yeah, man, tomorrow's another day.
We live to fight another day. Tell me why we're doing sit-ups, right? We're doing sit-ups. Jeremy and the four of them are 5. Jeremy said, no, I've seen them something yet to mankind.
Oh boy.
Jeremy.
You know, you see them, they used to go and push and carry a bucket of water for me.
Alright, Jeremy, do couple.
Eh?
Do couple, go on.
Yeah, take that off me first.
Come on, Jeremy. Come on, man.
And I think they can do 2 good.
The 2, Jeremy. Go on, the 2.
Alright, let me try that.
Go on.
Alright, 2 is
2, the 2. 3, come on, you can do it. 3, 4, come on, 4. Yeah, 5. Yeah. Come on, make it to 10, girl. 10, Jeremy. 10 for the girls, yeah. 8. Come on.
How much that?
9.
Alright, like the rest of the game, I'll do an extra 2.
Oh my God.
Very pretty.
Guys, yo, the jokes, I can't manage. Like,
Show me what you can do. 20 more, bro.
fuck off.
Come on, shake your cousin.
off.
Come on, me shake your cousin.
Guys, I was
Looking
doing that
good,
shit
looking
and he
good.
wasn't fucking
Looking good.
recording.
19 more. 19 more.
19 of your-
Oh, God.
God,
Come on, me shake your cousin. You ain't saying done. This is a maybe time shake.
no.
Ah, boy.
Guys, so tell me why Jermaine and I just finished working out, right? And Jermaine's over there sitting in his massage chair. I'm like, oh, let's treat ourselves. Let's get a massage. And Jermaine just said, yo, I should have felt if I want a woman chair or a man chair before I sit down, you know?
Real talk, not true? No man can massage me.
So Jermaine, what I'm telling you is a man chair now. You don't lock in already, you know?
No, man, I can't man chair. I don't think you would deal with me, sir.
Oh my God, guys, I can't. But Jermaine did very good on the treadmill today. He beat me, like he burnt more calories. He sprinted for a lot longer than I could have because I get really winded. If I go fast, I get winded. So I have to like lower the speed. But he was on 6 point something for like a good 10, 15 minutes. I'm like, shit.
Physically.
Anyway, we're going to enjoy our massage. Okay. So